Let us discuss the next question. This is from the year 2019. In India, which of the following reviews the independent regulators in sectors like telecommunications, insurance, electricity, etc.? 1. Ad hoc committee set up by the Parliament. 2. Parliamentary department related standing committees. 3. Finance Commission. 4. Financial Sector Legislative Reforms Commission. 5. Niti Aayog. Select the correct answer. There are two types of committees. One is the standing committees and the other are ad hoc committees. Standing committees are also permanent committees. Ad hoc committees are those temporary committees which are set up for a specific purpose, and once the purpose is achieved, they go out of existence. Both the standing committees and the ad hoc committees sometimes are given responsibilities to review the working of the independent regulators. So statement 1, which says the ad hoc committee is set up by the Parliament, this is correct. Statement 2, department related parliamentary standing committees, they are also correct. Finance Commission. The mandate of the Finance Commission is not to review the independent regulators working, but to provide the devolution for the tax devolution, to provide the formula for the tax devolution. So Finance Commission doesn't have anything to do with the review of independent regulators. So this statement is incorrect. So once you eliminate the easy option, if you can see, we can eliminate the two options. And Niti Aayog. The Niti Aayog is also an advisory body and it doesn't have to do anything directly with the review of the independent regulators. So this statement is also incorrect. And once you eliminate statement number 5, you can see that we get the answer as 1 and 2 only. Also, the statement number 4 can be misleading to some of you. If you see the wordings very carefully, Financial Sector Legislative Reforms Commission. So here the keyword is commission. It's not a committee. It is a commission set up just like the Finance Commission. And this Financial Sector Legislative Reforms Commission was set up to review the financial sector related legislatures. So which of the following statements are correct here? Only 1 and 2. So answer will be A. Now let's look at the in-depth explanation. What's the purpose of a parliamentary committee? The purpose of parliamentary committee is to study sometimes and to address a wide range of issues which the legislature generally cannot. It can be for various reasons. It can be because of the technical reasons. It can be because of the professional knowledge that is required. It can be because of saving the time of the legislature. For various reasons, we have different committees. And there are briefly the two types of committees, that is the permanent or the standing committees and the ad hoc committees. The permanent committees are also known as standing committees, and the department related standing committees, as the name suggests, they are the standing committees specific to a particular ministry and department, and they review the working of the regulators which come under their respective domains. Whereas the ad hoc committees, they are created on a temporary basis as and when the need arises, and once the need is gone, they are dissolved. Even some of the ad hoc committees, they are also given the responsibility of reviewing the regulators in their respective domains. And the Finance Commission and the Niti Aayog are advisory in nature, and their mandate is totally different and not reviewing the functioning of any regulator. And like I already said, the Financial Sector Legislative Reforms Commission, it was set up to review the financial sector legislations and not to review any of the regulators. So coming back to the question, the correct answer here is A, 1 and 2.